Here I have Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 and let me show you how to enable the backup feature on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the list of all applications right here, find and select the settings. Let's scroll down and here let's choose the cloud and accounts right here, choose backup and restore, and here let's enable backup my data feature from Google account right here. Let's enable this feature by using that switcher right here, and then you need to set the backup account. So let's tap on backup account. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. The device is checking info. So now it's important to have an internet connection. And now you can add your Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link right here, or you can use an existing Google account. So in my case, let me use an existing Google account. Let's tap next. Now you need to add the password, so let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose next right here. If everything is alright, let's accept terms of services and privacy policy, so let's tap accept. And here we've got Google services that you can enable, so you can enable and or disable the automatically backup device data. Let me leave it enabled and let's tap next. That's it, we just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.